Hello everyone, this is Gina Crochet Gal. Welcome back to my channel. Last week I went to Hobby Lobby, and what I went for was that I had heard there was a 75% off of all yarn. So I took a special trip out, which is quite a drive for me. And when I got there, to my surprise, nothing was tagged 75% off, so I was really sad. So I went ahead and got some yarn anyway because I didn't want to go for nothing. I picked up 4 skeins of this yarn, which is, I love this yarn. This is the first time I've used it. It was $4.99 a skein, 350 something yards, I believe. 355 yards, yes. And it's a really pretty baby blue color. And I picked this up because I am crocheting for a customer. And it's going to turn out really pretty. Let's see. Also, I'll show you the blanket afterwards. Also, because I didn't want to waste my trip with a lot of gas, I purchased one cross stitch pattern and I love it. It's so cute. Now, I don't know about you guys. Let me know how you feel about every project that you work on. I tend to, if I start working on something and I don't have the desire to continue, I won't do it. I just have to have a feel for the project if, you know, it's something that I really, really like doing. Well, I started this one the other night. Where'd it go? Oh, it's in here. I started this one 2 days ago and I can't stop. It's just one of those items that I want to work on. And I did get it on sale for $2.74, and the regular price was $10.99, and this was at Hobby Lobby. So I have done this much so far, and it's really cute. I'm working on this teal, the lighter teal section here. And this is what I have so far. I think it's the colors. On this particular one, I think it's the colors. I'm excited to work with the colors. And usually what I do is I make a copy of the original pattern, and I didn't do that this time. I usually work off of a pattern because I'm thinking, you know, somebody might want to use it after me, one of my aunts or one of my daughters or something, and nobody ever wants to recreate them. So I didn't make a copy, and I am working straight off the first one. I like to mark my completed sections in highlighter. So where you see the light marks is what I've done already. And I also like to put a post-it where I'm working because for some odd reason, I have to mark where I'm working at. Does anybody else have that problem? I have to actually mark where I'm going to be working. Otherwise, I get confused. Yeah. I wonder how my younger self would have done this. I don't know if it's something that it's just recently happened to me. And here are all the flosses. And I love the fact that they come neatly organized on this card here. And they're marked with a number. Colors are very distinct. And if they are close in color, they're kind of spread out a little bit. So I do like that also. And also when you are working and pulling one off, it comes off very nice and easy. Other ones I've worked with, they're not as easy to come off. But this is a nice kit, and I'm really, really happy with it. So I will let you know what my progress is on that in a few days. Super fun. Love that one. Now for the blanket that I'm working on. The one that I showed last week, which was for a little girl, the request I received is for a boy. Now this is the same exact pattern, okay, and I love the pattern. It reminds me of the corner to corner, with the exception this is straight across, and it's using 3 stitches, 3 double crochets. I was going to try to do it in a half double crochet, but I think I'll wait for that for next time. So this is what it looks like so far. This is how much I have. Now from side to side it measures 33 inches, so this one's going to be quite larger, and I can't get it all in frame because I'm working from my actual workspace right now. But this is what it looks like. I think this pattern's really, really nice. And I am checking when I complete each row to make sure I have my hook in here somewhere. I am checking as I complete each row, oops, upside down, to make sure that I have 3 double crochets in each little section, because if it's off, it's very noticeable. And I've done it twice and I've had to take out 2 rows. But this is a quick workup and I really like it. And it's nice and soft, so it's going to be nice for the baby. And unfortunately, I can't show you the whole thing. Oops, I have it upside down. I was right the first time. Yeah. So it's coming out really, really nicely. There's the bottom. Here's the top. Very, very pretty. Love the color also. And again, I love this yarn, and I'm working with it for the first time, and I think it's really nice. Okay, well, that's it from me today. I will let you know what my progress is on the cross stitch, which I'm really happy with. It's super cute, and I believe they're still on sale, but if you want to go and check those out, they are available at a reduced price for $2.74, regular price $10.99. That's a great savings, right? And up here it says $12.99, which is the original price. Okay, everybody, have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you next time.